So let me introduce you to Lilly. I've had Lilly for a very long time. I got her when she was a baby in 2004. She's a craven, mixed between a crow and a raven. She's a non-native bird, African pied crow mixed with African collared raven. And she was on the Game of Thrones for a little while. She did a lot of filming in a big warehouse with green screens. So you might have seen her there. But she is definitely one of my favorite of all the birds. I've known her for 20 years. And we're good friends. And one thing you'll always be able to tell if somebody's friends with a bird is if they know where a yawn spot is. Because all birds have one, but they'll only yawn if you're good friends with them. Hey, Lil, you want to show everybody where your yawn spot is? Right here by their ears, when they're doing aloe preening. They have this spot. And this spot right here, if they get really comfortable and they're enjoying their preening session, you can rub it just right. Not comfortable enough? You're a good girl, Dale. Rub it just right. And they yawn there. You're a good girl, Lily. But Lily and Romeo, our cravens, are the only ones I would be doing this preening to. And that's because they're social and they enjoy this kind of thing. The other birds, they're not as social, so they don't really like this kind of behavior, and what they like is very, very important to us because it is how we become friends with them. We use positive reinforcement and try to avoid any kind of punishment. Oh, you're yawn so bad. Oh, there it is. I see it. Oh, see that little yawn? You want to show my yawn? Oh, there's a yawn spot. I got it. Lily the craven. Sweet girl. We love you very much. Good job.